Stay tuned. This is a public service announcement.
Identity theft. When it sounds like your loved one or someone you know, but it's not. Scamlikely. Don't be fooled.
Hello?
Yeah, hi, sweetie.
Hi, Dad.
I'm at the grocery store right now.
Oh, okay.
Could you give me my card information?
Of course. Your card information is 3014567.
Thank you so much. I'll talk to you later.
All right, later, Dad.
Scamlikely. Don't be fooled. Scammers can use AI to replicate your likeness to trick your family and friends into sharing vulnerable information. Verify and think twice before sharing these things, even to people you think you trust. This has been a public service announcement.
Scamlikely. Don't be fooled.
Identity theft. This has been a public service announcement by the youth of My Neighbor's Keepers Alliance Incorporated. Scamlikely. Don't be fooled.